I think now we're on the cutting edge of, over the last few years, we've been moving from where chronic diseases are the main issues that we're dealing with, and we're now dealing with what have been called the diseases of despair. Things dealing with substance abuse, illicit drug abuse, prescription drug misuse. So we are working hard to try to address those, deal with those. One of the main programs that we have has to do with surveillance and epidemiology, which means watching to see what kind of diseases are happening in the area. Then a whole area of environmental health. A lot of what we did in 2018, we're going to continue and expand into 2019. Over the last 10, 15 years, we have really sort of moved from being a sort of relaxed mom and pop organization dealing with individuals and problems that are coming up to really focusing more as an efficient corporation. It is much more effective, much more efficient, much more cost-saving for our community. We are modeling after the best business practices that are out there so that we are making sure that the residents of Jefferson County know that their tax dollars are being spent well.
One of the things that's changing in libraries is that we are seeing a new demographic coming in. More the millennial age group is coming in. When I walk through the libraries, I see different people using the library in different ways, and that kind of co-working space of people who are not going to an office 9 to 5. They're like hanging out or meeting up, and they're, walk through the library. I think you'll be surprised to see who's there. We have databases where people can do market research, and they don't always know. Those are really expensive databases, but we can help with market research. We can have a one-on-one appointment with someone who is an entrepreneur wanting to start a business. We can help them write a business plan or apply for a grant. Somebody's working out of their house, they can come here and meet somebody in a quiet, safe space where there's also kind of a nice ambiance, better than sometimes a coffee shop. So we want to make that known, the kinds of resources that we have that we're offering to business. A business is a great partner for the library. This friendship with the city of Edgewater and the city manager has been many years, and then this last year we partnered with them to put a library in their new civic center, which we couldn't have built the library without them, and they really couldn't have built the Civic Center to its beautiful state without us. So this is a great example of how we can come together as partners to do more together than we could separately. What I'm super excited about is the way we're transforming our spaces. This year in 2019, we'll be starting our remodel, redesign of the Belmar Library to what's next.